to really feel good, it's not enough just to do some fix of your outer appearance. And that's exactly what we try to apply. It's fine to have a fix, but for the outer beauty, you need an inner beauty. So to then, maybe fine-tune the outside, there has to be a holistic harmony. Otherwise, it doesn't make much sense for me.
I think some people may still be a little bewildered as to whether they need to focus more on their diet or their exercise or get an extra hour's sleep at night. I'm wondering how you focus in on what is best for an individual.
With our holistic and preventative approach, we also have the privilege that most of our clients are staying here for a while, so they can live in life, what is a good lifestyle with a healthy, balanced diet, low in animal proteins, high in antioxidants, appropriate, well-adapted exercise. So we have this privilege to merge the clients in a healthy environment, and we have this other privilege that we have the results back relatively fast. Before our client leaves the clinic, we would have the full set, which is a combination of minerals and vitamin measurements, of biological measurements in the blood. This really gives us the opportunity to give some sort of a specific individual plan. We would then either keep in touch with the client and ideally see the client again after 6 months, after 1 year, or whenever it's possible for them to return.
Is it possible to advise someone how to make more time for the things that are really good for us?
So we deal a lot with very busy entrepreneurs who travel a lot. So what I usually tell them if they tell me, look, I know I should do this, but I don't have time. It's like, you're a decision maker. Many of our clients are decision makers. So as decision maker, you have to make decisions for you. And you're the boss of your agenda. So you just schedule in twice, 3 times during the week. You schedule in some time for physical activity, but some time for leisure. And then the weekend, this is the same discussion, but with more availability. So that's my message.